What's up, guys? This is the Swiffer WetJet. Okay, and so obviously you'll have to snap it together, but it's very simple. You're gonna press this button right here, and it's gonna spray. Don't know if you can see that on video. Okay, and real quick here, I'm just gonna wipe. All right, so instead of having like a mop with a bucket and cleaning the water and dumping it, and just get a Swiffer. Just get this WetJet Swiffer, guys. And then they have replaceable pads too. So as you need, you can rip this off and place a new pad in place. And then same thing with the liquid. You would just pop this out and you'll put a new one in here. It does have batteries that go in here as well. I believe it's AA's. But just a simple device for simple everyday cleaning problems. And you can just literally just do this and do this throughout your entire home to clean. That's what I do, and it works great. So some other tough spots, you might have to, put a little elbow grease into it. But other than that, it's a great thing and a great item, and I think everybody needs one of these. Ditch the mop bucket, guys. Come on.